Where's David? Hello. How you going? How's she doing? She's looking. Ooh.
She's ready.
No leaking or anything?
Yeah.
Not yet.
She's full.
Yeah, she's full.
As all as I can get it at the minute.
All juiced up.
Yeah. So exciting.
So today's the day, I reckon.
Big start day.
Yeah. So what?
Hopefully.
So what's our plan? What do we have to do left?
We gotta put the drive shaft in.
Yep.
And then the exhaust.
Exhaust. Yep.
Do a few checks. A few ECU checks.
Yep.
And then send it.
And send it. Yeah.
Unregistered vehicle permit.
I looked at it last night, so I think I can do it online. So when I think we're going, we'll just do it.
Yeah. Sounds good.
Yeah.
All right.
So
You exciting?
Oh, bloody excited.
I'm nervous and excited.
Bloody exciting.
Bloody excited.
Oh, so last night I think David put all the dashes in.
Ooh, look at all the buttons, everything.
Looks like a car now.
Yeah, it looks just almost like a car.
Looking good. I like the color. Everything's so like. Is this a brand new car?
Well,
I mean, pretty much.
I was thinking yesterday, I think it's the front and rear glass
Yep.
and the headlinings and anything. Or maybe the doors haven't come off either.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty much completely in bits.
And what was this?
Yeah.
What happened here?
I said to Amy, should I replace the pump? And she's like, nah, deal.
Hey, look at it.
Hey, look at this.
Can't trust the old M-Dog, eh?
Oh.
It was leaking, which looking at the manual, it's one of the things they say to check, but it was leaking
Oh, yeah,
out the bearing. So yeah, you can't service it. It's the only thing I didn't think I needed to change. And
But at least we know now.
Here it is, brand new, nice painted up, still DeWalt coloured.
yeah, still do well. That was
Can
my
I
biggest.
focus? Cool.
So I
Nice.
had plenty of time to paint it. That coolant is really sticky shit too.
The red stuff.
Yeah.
It's a bit smelly too.
Alright.
Yeah, sure.
Test shots. Let's get some spanners.
Yeah.
And the socket. All the spanners. And there shouldn't be any.
That's so exciting.
So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna pull that out
Yeah.
and hopefully it doesn't rip. That's that
hold.
middle guy.
Yeah.
And then what we'll do too,
Yeah.
we'll take those bolts out now.
Yeah. So we're gonna work from there all the way.
Get it in there first.
Yeah.
Probably put the bolts in here loose next.
Yep.
And then try and
Hold and
try and get it in there. I think that's. I can't. Well, let's try it.
Tired.
Well. All right, round 2. So stop.
That one can go. That one's been modified.
Modify.
Are they threaded on, or is it nut and bolt? Threaded.
I think there's a nut.
Oh, there's a-
inside.
Jeez.
When I pulled this off, you wouldn't. It was just a blob because it was just dirt and oil. You can imagine like 40 years of rear main seal leaks. Would you like my O2 sensor wiring?
Oh,
It's a bit sloppy, but
that's really weird that they put them on the
I
outside.
know.
instead
I
of
don't know
inside.
why they just didn't put them in there that way,
I guess.
or even up on an angle.
David's Garage Law. Whose email relays? Was that your company or someone else's?
That's just my apprenticeship.
Stolen from email relays.
So we got our tail shaft in.
Tail shaft's in.
What's next?
The rest of the exhaust.
You got so much black there.
Did that little cross brace underneath.
Yep.
So now we're going to fit the rest of the exhaust.
In there, nice.
I don't know if these are all the same. I just want to see all the bolts are actually the same. Remember how long ago they came?
Yeah.
Feels like forever, doesn't it?
I didn't get them really.
I'm wondering whether they're
They're the old ones, aren't they? Oh,
the that one, that one, that one.
Yeah.
Then we've got that one, and then there might be one that's already connected without the gasket. So. So do you want to put a bolt in first and then do the gasket in a minute? I'll talk them up.
15 new minutes.
Yeah.
The stage 1.
Yeah.
Stage 2 is 25.
Smile for TikTok. Bloopers. Shrinking. Wait, one more.
It's
Yeah,
just
that's on it. Yeah.
if I can move it, I'm not terribly worried right now.
So what's happening?
If you look down where the steering
Down here. See the steering little joiner?
Yeah.
That's touching.
Ah.
Let me try from underneath. But we should be able to get in there somehow and just try and tap it in a little. How much force we're going to be able to get in there
That's right.
without taking that out?
The other bit of the power steering, I already made clearance where the hose comes out.
Oh yeah.
So it's not hard to hit. Just getting a space that you can hit it from.
Yeah. That's right. Emmy's got small hands. She can just with her finger. Tap, tap.
All right.
Also, one thing I didn't realise until just before, all the fronts.
Yeah, little fronts on, grill, bumper.
So what's now? Look at his face.
We'll do something next week, I think. Now
Well, we gotta do it.
make it live.
All right. Check
Alright.
oil pressure.
Mm-hmm.
Check coolant. Yeah, well, that's what I was going to do.
Cool.
Yeah, and then go down to 2002. That one, the Commodore. And we can look at diagnosis, engine, yeah, Gen 3. We can look at things like read code, see if there's any error codes. What does that say? Oh, here we go, actuator test. Output tests, and we've got iFan, and it's off, so if we press the F2,
On.
and live data, engine data. So if we look at something like intake air temperature,
View.
like view data, F3. So it's 22 degrees. So it's reading, that's about right.
Yeah.
There's one more, so we go back. So yeah,
That's good. It's
that's all
working.
good. I'll just quickly do it.
So we're gonna check.
Right, so
We're gonna check the oil pressure. Ooh.
I'm gonna just tighten the posts on the battery,
Yep.
and then we'll put this fuel pump relay in.
Yep.
That cable's warm.
Relay's on. All right. What's now? Time to.
It's probably gonna do it itself anyway. It just did it.
Okay.
So go in there, and we went to live data. Maybe we can see it there.
Actually,
I don't know, to be honest. Fuel system status. Yep. Oh, I don't even know what that means. Anyway,
how you feeling?
nervous.
Alrighty, when you're ready. I'll give it a rev. You did it! That's exciting.
Wow.
How did it do it straight away? It sounded pretty tough. Well, first of all, I want to run it for a couple of seconds.
Yep.
Just like we did.
minutes.
Yeah, just a little bit of fuel. Is there a temperature? Zero.
Yeah, we're just running for a couple minutes, make sure everything all good. Yeah, this thing's beast. It sounds so tough. How you feeling?
Better now.
Better now? Yeah.
We've got no water temp reading though.
No, oil pressure.
Yeah, it's getting warm now, so
Yeah.
it's probably going to drop a bit. The engine light's still on, that's okay.
Yep. Yeah.
So what we might do in a minute is we'll put the scanner back in. 3 o'clock.
Yeah, clock is working. Heater, air, everything's working. I wish my car works like that.
I just got to adjust. Is this screw or something? No, there's a tack setting.
Yeah, oh, that's pretty smart. What I want you to do is squeeze this, tell me if it's hot or cold, and if it's got any water going through it, like pressure.
It's hot.
Yep. And then feel this one is hot or cold.
I would say cold. Like warm.
Warm?
Like it's not warm, but like I guess cold.
And now what I want you to do when I'm squeezing this is get dirt in here.
Yeah.
Area we're gonna, like the extractors are heating up, burning paint.
What do you aim for?
I don't know, mainly I'm just making sure they're all about the same.
Well, it's healthy.
So we're gonna read the power steering.
Now we're going to bleed the power steering.
Yep.
Hopefully we don't pop a hose. Good, except at
That
every
touching.
half a turn you get.
Yeah, I can feel it rubbing on that header.
Alright, we're gonna bleed the brakes.
So I was just thinking we lift the back, we'll put the back on the stand so the whole car's on stand.
So check alternator is done.
Brake light, good.
Woo! Yes! And reverse.
Yep.
Nice!
Yes!
Woo! Final check brake operation and then
Roll.
yeah, you're gonna move your car.
Oh shit, I better do the permit.
Sort of there.
Yeah.
So maybe I get that.
Ready? Is it the engine?
So he's gonna move a car. Now, test drive.
I think I could get fuel pressure.
Yeah.
Let's send it.
Yep.
Whoa, what was that? Doesn't want to rev. Here we go. Oh shit. It's popping at the park. It's not happy about something, but I don't know what. It might be oxygen sensors. Thinks we're doing 140 kilometers an hour. That's all. If I accelerate, it just bulks down and starts to backfire.
Yeah.
What I think is backfiring. Like it won't do that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's something not quite happy. Looking good though. How would you go?
Same thing.
Your last film, I think, was in the car after your drive where it was misfiring and
I didn't want to drive. And
Yeah.
it looks like it turns out that it didn't have enough fuel in it.
What? Because you put the 10 liter to start with.
Which was Jake's epiphany.
Yeah, so we got the fuel, and after that it's just all great.
And then I turned off economy mode.
Yeah.
And it went way.
Okay.
As I came around, it did start to sputter and cough a bit, but
Yeah.
it did what I would normally have thought it should do.
Also, yeah, we gotta top out the transmission fluid, make sure.
Yes, let's actually do that.
But everything's so far so good.
It's going so well, I can't believe how well it went.
Yeah.
Considering.
It sounds so cool.
Does that sound cool? No major leaks.
And we put the
So the-
bonnet struts.
Yeah, the
Bonnet
Bonnet struts, yeah. And looks really good. I think I'm gonna get for my Bluey. Look at that. But well done, team, and congratulations.
Thank you. Well done to you guys. Thanks both.
What a day.
It's been a bit of a roller coaster. Yeah. If I wasn't paying for it, it'd just be fun. Yeah, for us it's been fun.
Yeah. So how long roughly took time? Like how long did it take time to complete? Like it's not finishing, but like
This is
running.
really close to 2 years.
Yeah.
From being that original thing to now.
By the way, this is the switch.
I'm glad I put it in because I was just going to leave it open and it would be always in economy mode.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
So economy is 0.
Yeah, so what I should just do is bridge it out and chuck it away. But I just thought I'd fill a hole.
So what's the next plan?
Fix the steering.
Yep. Oh yeah.
Touching.
Still touching.
That's probably my next job.
Yep.
Take Manny for a spin.
Take that
Yeah.
for a spin
Definitely.
and then off to engineering.
That's exciting. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. It was a big day, and congratulations, David.
Thank you very much.
Yeah,
Thanks,
so-
guys.
Next one, hopefully we can drive again. All right. See you guys.